Ever wonder how your favorite music streaming app seems to know exactly what song you want to hear next? Or how your online shopping platform suggests products that you didn't even know you needed? The secret sauce behind these magical predictions is a concept called neural network regression. In the world of machine learning, neural network regression is a superstar. But what is it exactly? Picture a vast network of interconnected nodes, much like the neurons in a human brain. Each node represents a specific input, and the connections between them carry weighted signals. Imagine a scenario where you're trying to predict the price of a house based on various factors like location, size, and age. Each of these factors represents a node. The nodes interact with each other, exchanging and processing information. These nodes are organized into layers. The first layer, also known as the input layer, receives raw data. This data is then processed through hidden layers. Each hidden layer applies a set of weights or biases to the data, transforming it in some way. The final layer, known as the output layer, produces the prediction, in this case, the estimated house price. Now you might be wondering, how does the network know what weights to apply? Well, it doesn't, at least not at first. It starts with randomly assigned weights. Then, using a process called backpropagation, the network iteratively adjusts these weights based on the error of its predictions. The goal is to minimize this error, thereby improving the accuracy of the network's predictions. To summarize, the neural network regression is a process where a network of nodes organized into layers takes in raw data and processes it to make predictions. It does this by applying weights and biases to the data, which are constantly adjusted to minimize prediction error. This is the magic behind many of the predictive features we see in our digital lives today. Behind the seeming intuition of our favorite apps and platforms lies the power of neural network regression. It's a complex process, but one that's shaping our digital world in incredible ways. So, the next time your music app plays that perfect song or your shopping platform suggests the perfect product, remember, it's not magic, it's machine learning.